classmate, Jeffrey Villas Jr. from Oxford University. Pasok!
Never thought about a day that I've been needing more of this feeling. I can't hide it to you anymore. The way you look, the way you move.
Okay, Mr. Jeffrey, mahanap ko ng upuan. Okay, Mr. Villas, umupo ka dyan sa tabi ni Mr. Kuderia. Mukha ba akong Miss? Today is about basketball. So class, may nakilala ba kayong mga tanyag na malalaro sa larangan ng basketball?
Sigalayat po, ma'am!
Sister, your sister.
Yes,
Correct.
ma'am!
Correct.
Nicki Minaj!
Talaga ba, Mr. Coderias? How about the rules and violations?
Kakaba, nakakaaliw, nakakakilig, nakakabaliw.
Ano ito?
Yes, ma'am! Rattling!
Correct. Ito.
Bago, ma'am!
Correct. Ito.
Okay na yung bago!
Ito.
Double! Triple po, ma'am!
Very good, Mr. Coderias. Okay, that's all for today. Class